Well, welcome to this week's episode. If you've been perusing down the internet or here on YouTube, I am sure you have seen lots of videos and lots of articles about holiday ideas. And I am throwing in the towel. I am going to give you some of my ideas. Of course, they will have a twist. And so that's what this video is all about. Hi, my name is Carolyn Chebaro, and welcome to my channel where my goal is to inspire you and to motivate you, to get you to look at things just a wee bit differently, case in point, holiday gift ideas. Do you remember a time when we were younger and the smallest of gifts meant so much? I think from what I see, and I've watched several videos, some of the gifts that are handed out year in and year out, and what I've seen this year, are way over the top in terms of its extravagance, in terms of cost, and in terms of meaning. And whether you look at this time of the year as a religious event, you may not. But in my mind, it's a combination of the religious idea, the concept, but it's also a gathering of family and friends, and it's a time for gratitude. It's the end of one year, it's the beginning of another year, and with all the possibilities. And so I truly believe that we have gone way over the top with Christmas gifts. I don't know where about your neck of the woods, but down here in South Florida, the Christmas trees were for sale at Halloween. And the decorations are all in the stores. And in my mind, I get it, but it sort of ruins the anticipation. And the anticipation can be felt at a younger age, I believe, but even someone more mature like you and like me. And that's really the point of this video. I want to give you some ideas that maybe are more heartfelt, and they're away from the financial burdens that so many people put themselves in for the sake of giving a good gift, whatever that is. So first on my list, do you remember you used to make cards? You used to get the glue and you used to get the sprinkles and glitter and make a card. Now, you did that as a child, and you might have done that as an adult, but I would suggest making a holiday card. If you're not into making things, if you're not crafty, if you don't have the supplies, and I'll be honest, I don't. I used to, but I've cleared those out. There also is the possibility of buying cards, but then also of attaching a note, like a handwritten note. Dear Jane, love Susan. Just something that's more heartfelt, something that tells somebody that you are thinking about them at this time of the year. I know I really, really enjoy those types of correspondence, and they mean a lot to me, and I am sure they would mean a lot to you if you receive them, so why not give them? Next on my list is, if there is one thing that really, really ticks me off, I get it, it's quick, is someone sending me a text message for a holiday, for a birthday. I get it, times have changed, but call me old-fashioned. I'd love to hear somebody's voice. And so while it's convenient, it's easy, it's done, send a text, done, you don't have to worry about it. This should be more personal this time of year. And so rather than sending a text message, lift up the phone and call somebody and spend some time with somebody on the phone. Let them know that you're thinking about them as we go from 2021 into 2022 and all that goes with it. And the next item on my list is to visit someone. Of course, you'll have to do that safely, but visit them in person. Like, we are starting to do that. Down here in Florida, it's just the extreme. But visit someone in person, and even if it means not tapping on the window and letting someone know that you're thinking of them and have a conversation through the window. Did you ever think that that would happen? We would be in that predicament. But visit someone in person means so much. I know that I would appreciate that, just to have a physical being and social distance. I get it. The next thing on my list is to feed a stranger. If you're out and about, and you will see, sadly, a lot of homeless people. And their holiday probably doesn't look very exciting, doesn't look very promising. So if, for example, you're going into a food store, I've done it recently with Target, where I've seen homeless people who just need some food. So in holiday spirit, feed somebody. You don't need to know them, but you just need to show gratitude in your way. You're showing gratitude that you're happy, that you have the ability to help someone else. What a great way to spend the holiday season. And if you must, is within your family, create a gift challenge and put a limit to the amount of money that someone can spend. $10, $15, and spread the joy that way. You know, you can always bake cookies. You can always bake a pie for $10 or $15. You can always put a necklace together with beads. Show some love in that respect, rather than just quickly whipping out the credit card, buying something online, and either having it delivered to them or delivered to your home and you get to wrap it and give it to them. Show a little bit more thought, a little bit more intention for the holiday spirit and the holiday time of year. Those are my holiday gift ideas. I think that we have come to a time in our lives that we forget what really, really is important. And it's not a gift. And it's not spending money. It's something completely, completely different. Let me know if you are of the same thoughts. I would love to know. Please put those comments in the comment box below. And until next week, I wish everyone a good week. Stay well. Stay safe. Oh, and if you're new here, please subscribe. And I will see you very, very soon. Toodles.